the guitars and turn up the praise now. Turn it up. Hey, more fire. Some more fire. More fire. More fire. Ready lights on it. Ready lights on it. Ready lights on. Rasta man take it over. Nothing to come and take it over. Let us listen it, come and take it over. Engineer. Yo, yo, hey, Rasta man take it over. We take it over. We take it over. While I want to live, I'm going to be blessed in the return, be protected in front of your father. Me and God and I'm a part. Me and God and I'm a part. Now let me and me and I'm going to talk. Policeman will ask what I'm on them for. So now we will ask what I'm on them for. Hey, all of the money was straight to the first of them. Rasta man, take it out. Engineer! Put the voice tonight to speak up after the war. No problem. Next track. We got the news from the house, the south side. I'm going to start down the way. It's a morning view. You want to jump out and get on the rock wall. All of you, all the sun. You really love yourself. You want to go to the lights to that see how it's show? And we are on this street. Come on, my way. Next thing, what the man will I say, Joe? The man will have flooded some more fire. Ah! Lighter, yo, yo, hey! There is no time to be, no coffee to be. So let's take some rest. Lighter, fire! There is no time to rest. All over like a push it up. You shall be standing up for the money of money. Push it up and celebrate yourself. Turn it up. Yeah, we can go get it. No transport. Exactly. And I'm all right. Keep on it. Things are good. Put up. Road pastor. No artist there. Yo, Dada. Next one. What do you realize last year, Jack? Big other people that support season from the first inception, alright? We got the Rasta man, all the Rasta man family. What do you want to know? Slow! What an answer! a rough cut. Let me introduce another great artist for the legacy and dancehall reggae music.
Check.
Next match, step forward. Step forward.
Drop it. Everybody will come out and support Sizzla. Let me see the animal, please. I want to know 30 years into the business here, with so much culture that one, with hits after hits after hits after hits. Uno say yeah, uno say Sizzla. And if you don't know that song, every man go sing, I better want to go home. Drop it track. Drop it track. Too much to pay, it's too much. Hear me now. Control is mine. Back to Buddha. Someone said, come to tip and factor. Like easy, pick up yourself. That's so manly. Hear me say. Control is mine. I've been at coming again. Control is mine. Question everything. Control is mine. The whole place under perfume. Control is mine. It was a good back at when it was the first time. Back at this in the yard. It like it's not so equal. Well, that's the precious now. It for them forward. So you're a great man. I'm gonna tell me. Stop it! The rhythm where the more and them play. I'm foreign me there. You know who called me? The Prime Minister. I say, you see that inauguration here? Can't go on if you're there in Jamaica. You see what I say? So you tell you how it's song. Kick it off! When me name call is like rose after rose. Sweet like the tea and rose after rose. Black love and gold become rose after rose. Take it up! Take it up!
Look at me now. Let's not go. Let's not
every day the sexy girl them me and drink on me the girl something. This is sweet but why don't put the girl something like that? Money more, money more, money more. Look how me fresh, something we keep on me go outside me and have a man keep on. Give me a money, what's that? When your money to the money to the
Let's look up on yourself, Rastafari. So let's see.
That side out, look at myself. Always. Alright. 30 years. Another 30 years. I want the years. I'm not that clear. You want me, boy? Come here. Yeah, wait. That's what we got. Yo. What's up? What are you ready? Ricky General, you're one of the greatest artists in the island. No things to do for you. No future fed through dub plate. You hear me I say? Remember when Ninja Kid said that? We're in the veil, we're going to look for later. Our father down our studio. Ninja Kid, Ricky General, Bounty Killer, Louis Culture, and the whole works. Terror Fabulous, Mega Manton, the one of them units, Ghost, the one of them units, we are surrounded. It's one musical family. So let's let it go. Big myself, Ricky General. Alright. What you say? I'm going to make sure you're You want me start it? You want me start that 30th anniversary? Fountain of album. Let me tell you this. Because all who don't like it, farmers have put the foot on. Yeah. All of the mad boys, they will tell them all who don't like it. Farmers have put the foot on. Stand up. Where are you? Yeah. I don't know that. It's a little bit of a lot. It's a little bit of a lot. It's a little bit of a lot.
west. Anything case the boy going to all the sisters and holiday. Anything case the boy going to get say boy. Wait, so we don't want them walker. Just get that girl in the corner. Other thing, so we don't want them walker. Just get that girl in the corner. So we don't want them walker. Just get that girl in the corner. Other thing, so we don't want them walker. Just get that girl in the corner. I love what you mean. Talking to me, don't introvert. Talking to me, you're stuck on here and I'm talking to me. But for the moment, I'm not going to them and not to them. Little monkey said, oh, I made it little monkey said, the rest is all of it. No, I'm ready to come. I'm ready to come. Yeah, I'm ready to come. Let's have a look. I'm ready to come. Yeah, let's have a look. Thank you very much. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You get it. Go, Papa. Don't you go out to whatever. Don't come over there and say no. Don't you go out to somebody's a poodle. I want to take time to make up each and every one inside the building. Some beautiful Friday. Open up and listen to music. Don't you go off somebody. I start calling true Irish. Sound the low. Pick up a step of corner, pick up a step of size. Hold on. Don't you go off somebody. Don't come on here. Move on, all music. You're a rough, step on you. All who know nobody can stop in their life, one another here. Let me tell you a long time in the proper, we love them. Before I leave, you make any one of them up tempo thing. All the real voice cartel, one another here. We have some Portmore youth, how far we come from. My voice cartel is to Charlie Road. This is Cesar College and my artist that. Big up Frisco Kid, anywhere there. Give me the one before we exit. Give me anything, drop some mud. Yeah! That's what we're up here, right? Portmore, Bridgeport, Nola Kingston, Double Augustine. Are you ready? Alright! Now one of them, okay. Show up to the guy, always tight. Okay, rise up, long, love you. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Give it up, make some noise for Sizzla and all the artists who have been representing Sizzla tonight. Y'all full joy in the moment? Sizzla.